definitely the taste is good. The red pepper is, it's kind of unique, and so, there's amazing,
Here's another food
amazing
network quick
taste
bite.
that,
I know what it means.
you know what,
gooey brownies.
nothing,
One is actually underbaked a
there's
little bit.
something
The center's
in
a
here,
little
maybe
gooier, which
it's,
is great.
Maybe it's a horror or it's a ghost, something, right?
There's something in here, just like,
Maybe it's a ghost.
not ordinary.
The red pepper is not taste good because
To wrap the entire tray.
And
it's not red pepper. It's not
Yes.
red pepper.
Okay.
It's
I don't know
coconut.
si Romeo. Si Romeo may ano pag imbis ko na ano eh.
how about you?
No comment.
Oh, you're so strict, judge. How about this one?
The red pepper is not taste good because it's a.
Tingnan mo
it's
dyan,
not-
oh!
It was not a red pepper. It's a coconut.
Okay. How about you, Miss
No,
Bakut?
that would be all. Thank
It's
you.
white color.
Thank you.
It's white.
Miss Bakut! Miss Bakut, wait.
Makasalita ka dyan.
Bakot, apahapos okay na.
Miss Bakut, where did you get that, costume?
Bilang ko nga.
You look, uy, ang ganda-ganda ni Bakut. Acha! Ah! Manahon na gud sa imong bata mo, ay. Nangitsong na ako, na-propose. Wow! Dandalicious talaga. Nyamutun.
Isip ko daw.
Uy, stop